work with engineering firms that are in pharmaceutical and cosmetic and food and beverage. And we tend to find there are very specific architectural and engineering firms that tend to specialize in those various areas. They can provide full design solutions for those different facilities in those different markets. They can help with all the local codes, the requirements. They can take into account environmental considerations. And they're also excellent with integration and optimization of the equipment and machinery that may be purchased and going into those facilities. Many of the engineering firms will actually handle all the outside procurement and work directly with suppliers like LJ Star. We focus on process observation equipment and liquid level, all kinds of fittings. We find at LJ Star, the companies are frequently reaching out so that they can better understand what's in the marketplace. As each of their end users are going to have specific requirements, I think you get a lot more out of an open conversation with a lot of back and forth to get a better understanding of the products. I think for LJ Star, it benefits both of us is the way I like to look at it. I think it helps these companies understand what product options LJ Star has to offer. I think it ensures that our products are compatible, that they have access to technical knowledge tied to our products with cost optimization and identifying emerging technologies. I think those are all good conversations because there's a lot of things that we're working on that these companies aren't yet aware of. From communication, a product understanding, and a networking, I think it's fantastic when we have the ability to have face-to-face and discuss some of these things.